Hello students, now we are continuing the next points of vectors, that is finding angle between two vectors. When we take any two vectors, that is suppose a bar vector and b bar vector, then finding its angle between of two vectors. Let we take vectors, that is a bar vector is equal to a1 into I cap plus a2 into j cap plus a3 into k cap, and suppose second vector, that is b bar, is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Be any two vectors. Suppose we take its be any two vectors. If it angle, that is theta, we take the theta is the angle between them. We take its theta, that is angle between them of vector a bar and vector b bar. Then by we take its dot product, we know that is a bar dot b bar is equal to, we have know that already, that is ab cos theta. Then we find value of cos theta only. Therefore, cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar. Rearrange the above equation and we get value of cos theta a bar dot b bar divided by a into b. We put the value of here a bar and b bar and then a into b. Then we get is equal to value of a bar. A bar is a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and b bar, that is b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. When we take its dot product a bar dot b bar, we get a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. We have already find the value. Then write here a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 into b3, and divided by, we take its square root, that is in under root a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square into under root b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. If the vectors are perpendicular to each other, when we take these two vectors perpendicular to each other, therefore if the vectors are perpendicular to each other, then value of theta is, when the vectors perpendicular, we get the value of theta is 90 degree. Then we know that is theta is equal to 90 degree, and value of cos theta, theta is equal to 90 degree, and value of cos theta, that is cos 90, is equal to 0. Then we know that the value of a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 is equal to 0, that is a bar dot b bar, when both the vectors are perpendicular to each other. Therefore a1 into b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 is equal to 0 because a bar dot b bar, that is value of a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, and that is ab into cos theta. Put the value of cos theta is 0. A bar dot b bar is equal to ab into cos theta. Put the value of here, that is we get 0. Then number first point, if two vectors, that is a bar and b bar vectors, are not perpendicular, when the two vectors are perpendicular, then its product is 0. When two vectors are not perpendicular, to each other, these two vectors are not perpendicular to each other, then one of the angles between them is acute angle. When they are not perpendicular, one of the angle between them is acute, and the other angle, that is obtuse. Other is obtuse angle. The scalar product, that is a bar dot b bar, can be positive or negative. Positive or negative, but we not get is 0. If we take two vectors, that is a bar and b bar, are not perpendicular to each other, then one of them angle between is acute angle and other is obtuse. The scalar product of a bar dot b bar can be positive or negative, but not 0. That is, suppose a bar and b bar, they are not perpendicular to each other here. At that time, one of them angle is acute or one of them angle is obtuse angle. At that time, if you want to find the cosine of the acute angle, want to find the cosine value of the acute angle, between them, then we take the absolute value, of scalar product, absolute value of them scalar product. If you want to find the cosine of between them, then we take the absolute value of them scalar product. Then we have the scalar product, that is, therefore cos theta is equal to its product, that is in modulation of a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 divided by under root a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square into under root b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. Therefore, the value of cos theta is equal to, in modulation, that is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 divided by a into b means under root a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square into under root b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. Okay, we will stop here.